everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a little how to add a little devil transition on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, so in here you just click on a box white icon, this one. Oh, sorry. If you wanna add a transition, you just click on a box white, this one. Click on it, and then in here I wanna add a little devil transition, so you just click on a social media, and in here you can see a little devil transition, so you just click on it. And in here you can set the duration for transition, just swipe left or right like this, and after this you can click apply to all, this one. Click on it and click check icon in here. And now finish. So that's how to add a little devil transition effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.